Hello learners, welcome back to Lighthouse ERP Finance Module. In the previous video, we understood bank loan management. Now in this video, we will learn another important financial process, insurance management in Lighthouse ERP. Let's understand this in a simple and practical way. What is insurance management? Organizations take insurance to protect themselves from financial risks. For example, asset insurance, vehicle insurance, project insurance, employee-related insurance. If any loss or damage happens, the insurance company provides compensation. Managing all these policies, claims, and details in the system is called insurance management. Why insurance management is important? Without proper tracking, policies may expire without notice. Claims may not be processed on time. Important documents may get lost. Insurance management helps in tracking all insurance policies, managing claims efficiently, monitoring expiry and renewal, maintaining complete records. How insurance management works in ERP. Now let's understand the basic flow. 1. Insurance type setup. First, we define different types of insurance. For example, motor insurance, asset insurance, fidelity insurance. This acts as a base for all insurance entries in the system. 2. Insurance policy entry. Next, we create insurance policies. Here, we record policy number, insurance type, agency or insurance company, start and expiry date, premium details. System also allows document attachment, extension of policy if required. 3. Insurance claim process. Now let's understand claims. When any loss or event occurs, a claim is raised. Insurance company verifies the claim. Compensation is processed. In ERP, multiple claims can be recorded. Supporting documents can be attached. Claim status can be tracked. 4. Insurance monitoring and dashboard. Finally, all insurance data can be monitored. The system provides policy details, premium due status, claim history, expiry and renewal tracking. This helps management take timely decisions. To summarize this video, insurance management in Lighthouse ERP helps organizations maintain all insurance policies in one place, track claims and compensation, monitor expiry and renewal, manage documents and records, reduce financial risk. This was a basic understanding of insurance management in Lighthouse ERP. In upcoming videos, we will continue exploring more financial processes and their practical implementation. See you in the next video, learners.